Kobe.
Fade away like Kobe posting out in Sweden like ain't shit that you can tell us. Lord forgive me, as a kid I used to
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Valentine's Day and All-Star Weekend. I can't complain. All-Star game was good. LeBron team won, which I'm not really happy about, but Paul George was on the team, so I'm good with that. But aside from the All-Star Weekend, about the sneaker releases, I told y'all it was going to be hectic. It was going to be a bunch of releases coming out. And my God, they were coming out of everywhere. Unfortunately, a lot of the releases were like location based, so you had to be in LA to get your hands on a lot of, exclusive items. Unfortunately, I wasn't in LA. I'm in Jersey, so I did the best I could. Started off with the PG2 PlayStations, and that in itself made my All-Star release a success. But the success continued on Saturday. I woke up, went to the mall, and I don't even remember where I went, but I went and stumbled into the Kobe Protros. Protros, yeah. So I planned on picking them up through the sneakers app, but once I realized that they were just sitting in the store, that's God. So I got them here. Now, aside from the regular black and varsity maize colorway, they released like 3 different pairs all in LA, and I think one of the Undefeated pairs actually dropped on Undefeated's website. I struck out on those, and those were the ones I really wanted. They were the camouflage joints, but there were like 3 different colorways. They had a white black with a gum bottom. They had like an olive upper, and then they had the camouflage joints. I wanted the camouflage joints, didn't get them. These will suffice. So again, walked into my local Foot Locker and stumbled upon the original black varsity colorways, and I ain't gonna hold you. When these dropped back in 05, I was not a fan. At the time, me and Kobe were not seeing eye to eye because I really wasn't a Kobe fan, but I respected his game. Dude was averaging like 35 at one point. I think in like 06, 07. So he was getting buckets. He scored 81 points in these joints. Not in this colorway, but he scored 81 in the white and Concord joints. So I'm hoping they release them. I think it was a fantastic idea what he did. He said, you're going to retro my shoe. We'll keep it the same exact way that it originally released, but we're going to give you upgraded materials. No, upgraded technology. So you got full-length zoom in these joints, and then they chopped off and replaced some of the foam that they felt was unnecessary to make the shoe lighter. So I like them, and here we go. There's nothing spectacular about the Kobe box, but here's your colorway: black, white, varsity maize, Kobe 1 Protro. Not a bad retail price of $175. I don't remember what they retailed for back in 05, but I don't think $175 is bad. Kobe logo, Kobe signature, and that's pretty much it with the box, all black. And then down to your kicks. First thing you'll notice is it does have a nice tassel made out of leather. Leather feels supple. LA 2018 with your Kobe logo on it. And again, the exact same design from 05. So you have all black upper with some yellow, leather grain, fully stitched Nike swoosh, and then you have suede on your toe, and then suede on the medial side with the nicely stitched swoosh again. Suede is nice and soft, I must say. Delicate. Same thing on the toe. Kobe logo on the tongue with the bullseye. Nike swoosh for the lace loop. And then I believe this is some of the material that they may have taken down on the ankle area. Got your up tempo in the back, and then a lot of the foam they got rid of. So the shoe is 5 ounces lighter than the OG, and then you have your carbon fiber on the midsole, which I really do like. Kobe logo on the heel. More carbon fiber without the midsole. And then your bottom. Full length Zoom Air Nike swoosh. And there's some carbon fiber in there also, which I think is a nice touch. But these joints are cold. I'm glad they retroed them. They kept them the exact same way that they did in 05. And I really think that the newer technology, of course, is a benefit. Shoes lighter. They're super comfortable. They are snug, but even though they're snug, I did not go up a half size. These are 8.5, which is my true size. And then you got another bullseye logo behind the tongue. But nice shoe. I think the quality is good. The materials are good. And then, of course, you got the new age technology, which nobody should be mad about. One thing I did notice is that there are, of course, the regular Nike quality control issues. There's glue all over, like the midsole. Here's some additional glue here. I had to scrape off some glue off the tongue before, but real good shoe. They released again on the 17th through the Sneakers app, and then at select Foot Locker locations. If you're lucky, I would go to your local Foot Locker, House of Hoops more than likely, and see if they're there. But what do y'all think about them? Are y'all excited for the Kobe Protro? Protro is a mixture of performance and retro. I think it's a real good idea. I'm excited to see what other colorways are going to drop. They got to drop them white and Concord joints where he dropped 81. I think the All-Stars will be a nice release as well. I am looking forward to the rest of them. The Undefeateds, man, them joints was cold too, but they were just super limited and hard to get. But drop a comment and let me know what y'all think about the upcoming releases of the Kobe Protros. Last but not least, inside all varsity maize, which I prefer either that or black because they're easier to maintain than white. You have the bullseye logo on the insoles as well. Super comfortable. If y'all did not cop the Kobe Protros, what did y'all get this All-Star weekend? Black cement 3s? Foams? What exactly? Leave a comment, man.
Kobe!
Everything cool, bruh. Just grateful, man. I'm home with my family. I'm chilling. I'm added to my second interview today. Just trying to get everything going, man. Everything gonna pop off, though, only through God. You already know.
Shine with the niggas that you struggle with. For my dogs, for my city, for my Vader clique. Tomorrow's never promised, but no time to fear. If you made it here, you can make it anywhere. 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 Dead broke, lactose to the cream. Another Section 80 kid pressing for a dream where they press you with a beam. Run it or inhale that. Still Gina purse, damn Martin run tail that. Pack cigarillo, magnify my destiny. Kingpin mentality, I'm working out the recipe. Audio crack, bring them back every time. Make them wait, drop a tape, they relax every line. Went to college, but I'm back now. Drop Vader sessions, let rappers know it's a rap now. No slingshots, it's just facts now. I'm like David with a Uzi, back alive, even back down. No gang moving like a cartel. Beating rap giants for the bills, call me Parcells. Haters get the curve like a guardrail. I came home, it's my time, see them watching, they can all tell. It's my shine with the niggas that you struggle with. For my dogs, for my city, for my Vader clique. Tomorrow's never promised, so no time to fear. If you made it here, you can make it anywhere. Anywhere, 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 anywhere. Raised by the struggle, taught me what I know. World full of fakers, I would rather be alone. Boxing one in the zone, rather be a peasant. Bad beats, I would D, automatic weapons. Killers riding with me, motto with discretion. Yoga lessons, scope a leecher and stretch 'em. Single mothers and babies that's born with AIDS, both gotta get to heaven cause they debts already paid. Hey.